Presidency speaks on Tinubu's trip from UK to France. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's special advisor on information and strategy, Bayo Onanuga, has responded to the mounting criticisms regarding the president's recent travels. After spending 9 days in London, Tinubu moved to France for undisclosed engagements, prompting mixed reactions from the public. On Friday, Masari shared on his Facebook page that following a 9-day stay in London, the president is scheduled to head to Paris for an undisclosed engagement. He noted that he had visited President Tinubu at his private residence in London and announced that he would be accompanying the president to France. The announcement of the president's continued absence from Nigeria, especially during economic challenges, has led many on social media to question the appropriateness of his travels. In response, Onanuga defended Tinubu's right to travel, stating that the president is not restricted to the UK and is free to conduct official business wherever he sees fit. Amidst different comments, Onanuga in a post in his X handle wrote, "President Tinubu is on leave for 2 weeks. He's not restricted to the UK. It is his private time. He can go anywhere he so desires." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.